My name is Uzoma Emilia. In 2014, I had a terrible accident which affected my hips, shoulder, and my head. I did 3 surgeries, which was not successful. Even the third surgery, they took bone from my hips. But after the surgery, after 2 weeks, the surgery failed. And after the first surgery, after the head surgery, my shoulder issue was something else. I carried sling for roughly 3 years. To drop the hand was very difficult for me. After the third surgery, they now, said the best option is for shoulder replacement. That they will try, that I should travel out for the shoulder replacement surgery, which the money was really much. It was almost 20 million for me to do the surgery. It was difficult until, my auntie intervened. That was when she asked me to go to Cedarcrest. My going there, I was given VIP treatment. What I find out in Cedarcrest was that everything there was really organized, even from the reception. From the reception before you see a doctor, everybody was attended to. They really took care of us. They really took care of me, seriously, because the treatment I got there was excellent. The service there was very okay. At least the nurses, they were up and doing. They call you, they find out every minute, every moment, how are you feeling, even very early in the morning. Before 6, you've taken your bed, they will come and do everything, clean you up, change your bedspreads. Yes, I was in orthopedic section, and I was really taken care of, and exceeded my expectation. At least I can now use my hand that I've not used for 7 years. I have never lifted this hand up for the past 7 years, but I can now use it. Yeah, there is one thing the doctor did that was that surprised me. The day after the surgery, they took bone from my leg, from my pelvic region, and to support on the shoulder. I was still in the recovery room when the doctor came in and asked me to stand up. The nurses tried to assist. He said, no, nobody should touch her. Emilia, get up. I tried. I sit there. He said, I didn't ask you to sit. I said, stand up. I stood up. I looked at my leg. The pain was not really, I was not feeling the pain much. That alone surprised me. And the second day I started walking. Because I'm a living testimony, I would recommend people to Cedarcrest because I passed through agony for 7 years, and it was in Cedarcrest that I got my healing, total healing. The hand that I have not lifted for 7 years, I can now use my hand perfectly. The doctors, they are very, very accommodating, and nobody feels too big in that hospital. They take you the way you are. Instead of them investing or wasting their money by traveling out of the country for the surgery. You know, the best bet is for them to do it here in Nigeria, because if you go to Cedarcrest, they have all the equipment required, you know, which is even more cheaper. And instead of them, you know, spending huge amount of money traveling out, which will take them, you know, even months, Cedarcrest Hospital is just by the corner there, that where you can easily go and, you know, spend little, not even half of the money you are to spend outside the country.